What's up, everybody? It's Marissa from Krietz Customs, and welcome back to another episode of Lifted. I have here a 2016 Chevy Silverado 1500 four-door double cab LT. And this is another Krietz Customs build. What we added to this is a 6.5-inch zone off-road suspension lift. We added some 20x10 wheels. This is an XD831. This name is a chopstick. It's black and milled with a -24 offset. Paired with the XD831 is a Nitto Terra Grappler G2, so it's a great hybrid tire and it's going to be a quieter tire when you're driving down the road. With the wheels and tires, we've also added the fender flares. These are painted to match rough country riveted pocket fender flares, so these are going to be a more rugged look with the bolts on the outside of them. On the running boards down here, they are rough country wheel-to-wheel Nerf steps, so they are gonna have a more rugged look as well. This is a great off-roading looking truck. So again, if you're in the market for a truck, this is actually in our inventory as well. The stock number is 142396. And if you're looking for upgrades to your vehicle, send us a message at Krietz Customs on Facebook or go to our website at KreitzAuto.com.